In today's video, we're going to take a quick look at a Rolex Submariner automatic watch. This is a timeless classic and just wanted to give you some close-up views here. This one, of course, has the date, as you can see, the magnification for the date there. And it is stainless steel, has a black face, just a real classic, timeless piece. I would imagine this could really be considered a staple for many watch collectors. You can wear it with just about anything. Very nice piece here. It's got all the classic Rolex styling there on the design, on the markers. This one has just the plain markers, no Roman numerals or anything like that. Very nice, and I'll just spin it around here so you can get an idea. This one is lightly used. It's probably just a few years old. And the way these things are built, they hold up really well. They don't show significant signs of wear very easily, especially if you take care of them. So it's a great timepiece to start out your collection, or if you already have one, you're looking to upgrade. Definitely one to check out for sure. Now, if you are a watch collector or you're looking at purchasing a nice prestigious timepiece like this one here, and you'd like to raise some money, maybe you have an existing watch and you'd like to upgrade and use your watch's trade-in credit, definitely check out our website at jbrokers.com. We are a risk-free secondhand marketplace, and we consider all kinds of items from gadgets and guitars to cameras and collectibles, pretty much anything worth over $100 that's easy to ship. On watches like this one here and many others, we will do what we call a personalized offer on your product, where you will submit the details, the unique make, model of your watch, and then we'll get back to you within 24 hours, usually the same business day, during normal business hours, Monday through Friday. And it's a no pressure, no hassle, no obligation offer. Only takes just a few minutes to go on our website and complete that offer request. So definitely check that out. And of course, we do sell watches, the same ones that we buy from our customers. And you can also find those on our website. So I hope these close-up views are helpful. Again, this is for the Rolex Submariner. And as always, thanks for watching.